I upgraded Grandma's old chicken coop to this modern poultry house and turned it into my own homestead farm. From this open space roof to a rainproof roofing. From the top-down brooder pen to a top hatchery and bottom living space. And finally, from a single open space to a top and a bottom level 2-side poultry house. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe. And hit the notification button for new videos and updates. First, I got rid of the old hatchery and brooder pens I built in phase 1 and 2 and replaced them with a bottom and top living space for my layer hens. So I'm currently building the layer box for the bottom living space. I decided to hang it so I can have enough space for the birds to roam about on the ground. Hanging it would allow the birds to have more space on the ground to exercise. Now my attention is on building the layer boxes and hatchery for the top living space. I decided to build a brooder pen or replace the old brooder pen with a new one, and this one would be built just underneath the top level and above the bottom living space. In case you're wondering where all my birds are, I migrated them to the other side on the top level of my chicken house. I needed to complete the construction uninterrupted. Trust me, my roosters are active sex pests and are constantly fighting over the hens. Because a newly hatched chicken would need more heat, make sure to seal all open spaces. In addition to sealing the spaces, make sure that no predators will enter any open spaces to harm your newly hatched chicken. I decided to build a hatchery right beneath the better roofing to increase my hatching rate. As we are using our breeding local hens for the egg hatching, I placed the layer hatchery or boxes there where the heat generated from the metal would continue to give the eggs warmth when the hen got up to exercise, eat or drink. Keep a flat board front of your layer box to keep the wood shavings in and also to prevent the eggs from falling. And now I'm completing the platform for the top level space left of the chicken house. The next was to build the doors for the brooder house. Sawing the board into 4 long timbers to build the doors was a real pain. Remind me to buy an electric table saw or I'm happy to be sponsored one. So I completed the brooder house or pens with 2 doors. I give it 2 doors to allow easy access to the chick as well as cleaning. The mesh will prevent the birds from mixing if we needed to separate them. fits perfectly. Avoid any accidents if you can. And if you can't avoid any accident, then may God have mercy on your soul. Since I didn't get any helping hand, I decided to give myself a leg up. I did almost the entire construction by myself, though Grandma came to help sometimes. In return, I gave her an egg. Thanks, Grandma, you're the best. I completed and sprayed the new construction to prevent hen fleas as well as any wood termites. Now the chickens can move into their new spaces. Thank you for watching phase 3 of my chicken house construction, and I hope to see you in the final phase, which will be phase 4 of my chicken house.